Okay, what you see in front of you is a Form W-2. This is not one you fill out. It is one you will receive from your employer by January 31st of the next year. So if it ended in 2019, you should have received your W-2 from your employer by January 31st, 2020. Basically, a W-2 is a summary of everything your payroll that you made throughout the year. Okay, if you notice here, it gives your Social Security number, your employer's identification number, and it'll say how much money you made. In box 1 is the amount of money that you made. In box 2 is how much federal income tax they withheld. In box 3, it's Social Security and how much the wages were qualified and how much tax was withheld in box 4. Your Medicare, how much they withheld, is in box 6. And your state income tax that you filled out the W-4 for will be under number 17. So your W-2 is actually filled out by your employer and sent to you by January 31st of the next year.